Hello, welcome to Proggy. Today's video is on how to stop websites from asking location in Firefox. So first of all, let us show you what a location request is. For that, I've opened the website of Taco Bell and let's click on Start Order. And if you click Use My Current Location, this will ask for your location. Now this I've done manually, but most of the times you will see this particular pop-up coming again and again repeatedly when you open a website. So how to stop this behavior of Firefox? For this you have to go to Firefox's setting. So just click on this three bars, go to settings, privacy and security. If you scroll down, you will see here in permissions this location menu. So click on settings here. You have to click this particular checkbox, block new requests asking to access your location. So let's see now what happens when I go to Taco Bell again. So now if I click start your order and click use my current location, oops, this browser does not have locations enabled. So that is what we were trying to show you, how to disable all the location requests in future once for all. Thanks for watching Proggy. Hope the video helped. Like, share and subscribe.